Unexpected setbacks are common in life. Road accidents, natural disasters, and sudden health issues, for instance, can quickly drain accumulated wealth. Insurance serves as a financial safety net in the face of these unforeseen circumstances. The seventh distinguished public lecture at the Federal University Lokoja with the theme, Insurance Solutions in Wealth Creation and Sustainability, was therefore crucial in many ways.
In a world that is increasingly complex and filled with uncertainties, the role of insurance cannot be overstated. It serves as a safety net that allows individuals and businesses to take calculated risks, innovate, and invest in opportunities that drive wealth creation.
Guest lecturer and former Commissioner for Insurance and CEO of the National Insurance Commission, Thomas Olorundare, lamented the poor awareness and culture of insurance in Nigeria.
Nigeria is the largest economy in Africa, and what it means for us to have an appreciable increase in penetration, the level of premium must increase to match that level of GDP. But what we have seen is because of the perception of the public, they are not seeing the value in insurance. That's why the level of penetration is this low.
Thomas believes planning for the future through insurance provides peace of mind, prompting government's efforts in this direction.
It has improved from what it was in absolute terms. It may not be in relative terms, but I will also tell you that there are mechanisms that have been put in place to shore up this level of penetration. If you and I, and this, what the university is doing right now, trying to sensitize people, trying to get people to know about things like insurance, like they have done in other sectors, I believe that the culture of insurance will be a household thing that people can begin to invest in.
It's a timely lecture, and participants are ready to explore the benefits insurance provides.
We always think that they just take money when it's time to pay. They find excuses not to pay. We are better educated by this lecture, and for us, we learned that they have a multiplicity of products for corporate bodies, for institutions, for students, for staff. All of that we weren't too much knowledgeable about. So lectures like this afford us platform to engage with the different sectors of our economy.
Arising from here, we're going to have the Department of Actuarial Science. One thing that is very, intriguing in our minds, and we hope to pursue that to the letter.
The public lecture series at the Federal University Lokoja continues to generate interest by addressing pertinent issues affecting the general public and offering participants a chance to seek advice and engage in intellectual discourse. In Lokoja, Jonathan Omajali, NTA News.